So the great superstar started chucking the like, yeah, all the septic tank vaginas. The great what generations family hierarchy, great chanty families legacy estimate in a culture of chowda. There should be some minimum thing, minimum something should tell us, man. Charapata. That's the reason that Kachara same devils who are making is actually telling us gata gata gata. Charapati. The battalion, all the great leaders could overall more that you are on the snake of the Delican. I never chatted Kata Kamata Nila Karnate. Then I think Narena Yashi got a touchy and go to per another Ashoga level. He had their father's job also. And Priyanka, you don't take a excited that you will tomorrow just stitch the clothes for the Prime Minister of the catcher of fraud. You kind of a catcher of where you will end up. But sure, what is your family history? That only. That's what there. Immediately, each and every word coming with that I put to that post that photo with Rahulji. That's the reason immediately the devils have reached there and arranged the industrial show industry because that during my talk also I told that in UP there is no industry. Actually, then when I went to that time, I was telling that these are the things. They chat the you the high class sucking that what telling it's a shame that he kind of a kachara are still assisting as political party to devastate India. That's the reason these fellas are playing at the IT. But also, Ajit Pawar everybody back. No, the BJP and came and empowered Congress and intolerance. So yeah, because they're that much excited, right? Everything they will do. The after election, you see that because no, it's till the time then only can the motalasa what kalasarpa septic tank you can chara pot it chato you pot nanangata nae for what purpose nee jeevikkunnu then on the back all the notes are protesting to no attacking me chara tell it's a shame that you kind of cowards are resisting. This is what education matters. Culture. He had a praying. I told that go and get education. Where I was able to, I'm able to contradict or approach any authority or anything confidently, courageously. That's because of my education. Okay, my hard work. Not like chucking and kicking my tail. Minimum shame should be. And after another, how many chucking. But this is the way your mother also was sucking all the concussion leaders and managed all the businesses and all the frauds and murders. Everything. Bust a family business. It's for and suddenly this all the actually have common sense way these devils are that sort of that continue patti dusta criminal bastard was on take the way that bastard was trying to trap me in such a that short red street bastard no my mobile is well even that charge was not working to mobile got frozen and then തോട്ടത്തിൽ ഇങ്ങോട്ടത്തിൽ പോർ വച്ചിക്കണ വ്യാച്ചിനായില്ല ചേണക്കുന്ന പട്ടി അവനെ വേട്ടി കോയങ്കല് വെട്ടി അരിഞ്ഞു നാണം കേട്ട പട്ടി എന്നിട്ട് so then after that immediately when I disclosed their plan, I immediately went to Ujjain Ahori to do the karma and then that same Karak only came out to do the Rudravisha to empower you. കച്ചറ മന്ദബുദ്ധിയിൽ ദിശിച്ചായിട്ട് നിന്റെയൊക്കെ വിവരം കച്ചറ നാരായണ ദാസവനൊക്കെ പോലെയുള്ള പട്ടികളിൽ ഇരുന്ന് ക്രമിച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന കച്ചറ മന്ദബുദ്ധികൾ വിവരം കേട്ട ഫ്രോഡുകൾ all the towels അതിലും പ്രിയങ്ക ഇപ്പൊ അങ്ങ് ചരിച്ചങ്ങ് ഇറക്കും ചേരാ മാന്തബുദ്ധി immediately everybody together these fellows are knowing that only because of me that I am blocking this is that's what if I'm not there all of you will be like for the past 10 years dwelling in that same loop. Yeah. Okay, better.